Hello, this is Sunny from my Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just hopping on to set up for our last memory verse for this series, which we are doing 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4 to 7. As you can see, I've actually just put my 4 verses here in the front because every day I'm just starting from the top and I just work my way through it. I often do that when we are memorizing a whole passage in the Bible, just to have the flow of it. So obviously, it would have been on Behind Daily, it would have been week 3, and on the Even, it would have been week 2, and on the Odd week will be week 1. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm just going to get ready for this week's memory verse, which I usually put here in the back of my box. So it is 1 Corinthians 13 verse 7, and it says, love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things. And I'm glad we end with positive, because we had a lot of times what love isn't. And we started with what love is, and then we had a few verses what love is not, and now we end again with what is love. So I'm going to put that behind the daily section. So I'm going to take my daily verse of last week and you put it behind the even section. I'm going to memorize that in the even days of the week. But as I said, I'll just continue doing a daily because it's a passage. And then I'm going to put my old even verse, put it behind odd. And then my old odd verse, I'm going to put behind weekly. I think I've done last time Sunday, so I'm going to put it behind Monday. You can choose any day, but I just go back and forth for just to make it easier. Just going to take my old Monday verse and I'm going to move it into the monthly sections of this verse. I'm going to at least practice once a month, and I think we've done it behind the 6th, so I'm going to put it behind the 7th this time. As you can see, there is 2 verses already there, so on the 7th I am just revising these 2 verses which we've done probably the last 2 years, so just refresh my memory, and I'm just concentrating on that. So that's how I'm doing it. And tomorrow I am getting my practice sheet, and I'm writing the address there, and I'm practicing like I done last week. And then during the week when I feel like it, I go to my like meditation sheet and I just write it out there and practice it. As you can see, because we're practicing one section, I've done it the first week or so, and then I've just said see previous page. So it's no point me rewriting everything. It's exactly the same. I just wrote down here how to apply to my life, because that's obviously going to be different for each verse we are doing. So I hope that's helpful. You must have a very, very blessed week. I hope the Lord is speaking to you. I sometimes think the reason why I choose one theme for my memory verses is for us to meditate on certain truths for a whole 4 weeks. So I've been really meditating what it means to love other people. The Lord is really speaking and challenging me the whole time. When I want to get irritable, no, love is not irritable. When I want to get rude or whatever it is, and the positive things, what is love? It is not rejoicing in wrongdoings. It is actually rejoicing in truth. So the truth of the matter is the most important thing. So all those things I've been meditating on the whole month. So to me, that is just as worthwhile as actually memorizing scripture. So yeah, have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless.